Hi, we are Ebtisam and Sahab, and this is Disruptive Duck AI. Disruptive Duck AI is a web-based conversational productivity platform built specifically for neurodiverse entrepreneurs people with ADHD and autism who are running businesses but are constantly let down by traditional productivity tools that were never designed for how their minds work. The problem is simple. Most productivity software forces you to juggle multiple tools at once, switch context constantly, repeat yourself every session, and navigate complex dashboards just to get basic work done. For a neurodiverse entrepreneur, this is not just inconvenient. It is genuinely exhausting and often makes productive work feel impossible. Our solution is Disruptive Duck AI. Instead of dashboards and forms, you get a single conversational workspace where AI teammates called cast members remember who you are, what your project is about, and what you were working on last time. You never repeat yourself. You never lose context. You just work. Our objectives are three things. First, to replace complex productivity tools with a single chat-driven workspace. Second, to give neurodiverse entrepreneurs AI teammates with persistent memory that hold context across every session. And third, to automate repetitive workflows through a protocol system so users spend their energy on actual work, not on managing their tools. This is an entirely new final year project. It is not an extension of anything existing, and it is not a merger of other products. This is a platform we designed and built from the ground up. On the technical side, the front end is built in React.js. The streaming layer is Node.js with TypeScript, handling real-time chat delivery. The backend is Django with Python, managing all business logic and authentication. Our memory engine is Agno, which classifies and stores context per cast member. Our database is PostgreSQL, and the entire system is deployed on AWS using EC2 for hosting, S3 for file storage, SES for email, and Docker for containerization. The application area is a real-world problem. Neurodiverse entrepreneurs are one of the most underserved user groups in productivity software. Research shows that 55% of business owners self-identify as neurodivergent, yet almost no tool is built for how they actually think and work. Disruptive Duck AI is built to change that. Let me walk you through the platform. When a user first lands on the platform, they see a clean registration screen. They enter their name, email, and password, verify their email through a code sent to their inbox, and they are in. No clutter, no lengthy setup. Once inside, the user lands on the dashboard. The dashboard has 6 clear sections in the navigation: Home, Projects, Cast Members, Subscription, Wallet, and Sign Out. On the home page by default, the user sees their projects and a default generic cast member already ready to use. From the home page, the user can create a project directly by clicking the Create button. The project creation screen asks for 3 things only: a project name, a description, and a background image. Clean, minimal, no overwhelming forms. Once a project is created, the user enters the project workspace. On the left side, there are 2 options: Interact and Cast System. On the right side, there are protocols and tasks enclosed in a panel. When the user clicks Interact, the chat interface opens. This is where everything happens. From the home page, the user can create a project directly by clicking the Create button. The project creation screen asks for 3 things only: a project name, a description, and a background image. Clean, minimal, no overwhelming forms. Once a project is created, the user enters the project workspace. On the left side, there are 2 options: Interact and Cast System. On the right side, there are protocols and tasks enclosed in a panel. When the user clicks Interact, the chat interface opens. This is where everything happens. The Protocols panel on the right lets users create and run their automation shortcuts. The Tasks panel lets them create and manage work items within the project. Finally, the Wallet page shows the user their duck balance, monthly quota, ducks consumed today, and their content creation limits, all in one clear summary screen. The subscription page shows trial status and upgrade options. Let me walk through three major functionalities. Functionality 1, User Registration. The user registers on the front end. Django validates and stores their details in PostgreSQL. AWSSES sends a verification email. And once verified, the system automatically creates their Duck wallet and activates the 3-day free trial. A JWT token is then issued to secure all future requests. Functionality 2, Cast Member Chat. When a user sends a message, it travels from React through our Node.js streaming layer to Agno, our memory engine. Agno classifies the input as either long-term memory or session history. This is what allows cast members to remember context across sessions so users never repeat themselves. Django then calls the selected LLM, streams the response back in real time, calculates the token usage, converts it to ducks, and deducts it from the wallet instantly. Functionality 3, Protocol Execution. Protocols are reusable prompt shortcuts. Level 1 is a static one-click prompt. Level 2 adds variables the user fills at runtime. Level 3 offers 3 versions of the same prompt to choose between. When run, Django fetches the template, builds the final prompt, and sends it through the same chat pipeline. Response streams back, ducks are deducted automatically. This eliminates the cognitive cost of repetitive prompting, which is one of the biggest daily challenges for our neurodiverse users. Disruptive Duck AI is not just a productivity tool. It is a platform that takes the real daily challenges of neurodiverse entrepreneurship seriously. At the architecture level, not as an afterthought. Thank you